Oh no, I got a hole in this glove right here. What should I do? I'll repair it. And you're watching Creative Redundancy, the one known as C.
Seeing that
Oh.
hole in the glove right here. I'm gonna use matching color thread. More or less. Not quite, but good enough. I got a stopper knot at the end of this. Let's start on this side. What I'm gonna do is actually start on the inside, right about there. So my stopper knot is actually on the inside. And what I'll do here is nest that or tuck the thread in the best that I can, so it's hidden. So something like that. Then I'll come across this side at the top. Start sewing this together here. Making sure my stitching's fairly tight here. Best I can. Always trying to make sure I tuck that thread in from the stopper knot so it'll be hidden after the fact as much as possible. From the top again. And I'm making sure, because there's a liner underneath, to only go through the fabric of the surface and not actually sew the inside of the liner in. Basically what I'm doing here is just making some back stitches in here. Like I said, tucking my thread in as much as I can. See that black spot right there from the liner. Tuck that back in. Pull a little here. Make a back stitch right there. Make another back stitch right there. Sew in a line right there. So you can see this little bit right here. That'll be okay. See, as you can see, right about there. Yeah, see, right there's a thread sticking out. That'll be okay. I'll be able to repair that as much as I can. What I'll do is I'll just go over inside that loop that I have. And I'll just sew it right into the material the best I can. I'll actually have to put this glove on just to double check it. Doesn't seem so bad right now. I'm actually trying to find where the hole is just to make sure I didn't miss this one. There's a spot right about here. So I'll make some extra back stitches into this. Stretch the glove. This is on the pinky side of the glove. Stretching it just to take a look here. See if I notice anything. No, I don't notice anything. Doesn't look so bad. Barely notice it now. So you have a spot right there done on the dress right now. Starting from the inside. And again, tucking my end in there as best as I can. There's where the hole is. And again, just sewing the surface of this glove, because I don't actually want to sew on the inside of the liner. Okay, there we go. Oh, that doesn't look so bad. Just like that, I've repaired this glove and give it a little bit more life. And remember, you can also do this too. And as our world changes, we can adapt to our skill and knowledge, get better with practice. Can't help everyone out there, but one can help someone. Take care